Terraway Shoe Detail Kit.
All right, so what we have here, real simple. Got your sneaker rag, all right, bag. Okay, got your wire, plastic and steel brush, all right, for different types of material. You got your all-purpose cleaner. All right, this is invisible all-purpose cleaner, no scent. It's diluted, 1 to 2. All right, here is the actual fabric cleaner. All right, and then here is the repellent. This repellent is amazing. All right, so basically you spray it on the shoe, let it take about 20 minutes to dry. All right, and then what happens is that it'll repel anything. It repels water. It's almost like putting a ceramic coating on your sneakers. The water beads up. It repels dirt and stains, oils and things of that nature. And if it does hold on to the surface, then it can easily be wiped off with the all-purpose cleaner or the fabric shampoo. All right. So we're just still working on the labels for this thing. This idea is complete mock-up. This right here will be available to the general public here soon.